So I want to talk to you about how to not get blisters, or at the very least prevent them. Sam and I have walked over 1,500 kilometers of Caminos, probably about 1,000 miles or so, and I have never had a blister, and she's only gotten a couple very, very tiny ones that were pretty much healed in a night. I'm going to go through and explain to you what we do every single morning without fail. And we highly recommend not skipping it. As we get further and further along the trail, I tend to want to not do it because I feel like you don't have to, and then Sam reminds me that the reason we don't have blisters is because we do this every morning. So you're going to need a couple things. One, you're going to either want the better blister blocker or Vaseline. You can use either the tube or you can use the traditional jars of Vaseline. Every morning you're going to want to put the Vaseline on. Make sure you get it around the sides of your feet, get it on your heel, and especially on your toes and in between your toes. Do not forget the in between your toes. Next step is you're going to put these toes socks on. Go ahead and put them on, get them on nice and tight over every toe. Getting through the toes can be kind of a pain in the butt, and yes, the pinky toe is a pain in the ass, but it makes a big difference. These are not my favorite things to wear. I would never wear these at home, but they're actually more comfortable than you think they are. Next, you're going to want to just put on your socks. We have merino wool socks. They're fantastic. They actually stay dry really well. They may be a little bit warmer on your feet, but I would take warm feet way before I would take blisters. Once you've got it all on, go ahead and lace up your shoes as you normally would. Sam and I have done this every single morning. If in the rare event you do get a blister, lamb's wool is the greatest thing. Sam had a small blister one year, it only lasted like a day I think, but she jammed it down into the socks. From then on, you'll start to learn kind of where your hot spots are, where you're feeling it, and just in the mornings put lamb wool there. So at the end of your hike every day, you're going to want to take the lamb's wool out and replace it with new lamb's wool. The stuff is very inexpensive. We're bringing, I don't know, a pack or two, because I know first year we ended up giving a lot of it out because we didn't need it, but we ended up handing out a ton of it, and people always caught up with us later and thanked us for it. So that is how I've done 1,500 kilometers without blisters, and Sam has done the same with one tiny little blister. Thank you for watching, and Buen Camino.